Now let us continue with Hess's law, the second method, that is energy cycle method. Okay, now for the energy cycle method, okay, the question says that find the standard enthalpy of formation for ethane given the following data. Okay, in this question, it didn't mention anything about energy cycle diagram. Okay, however, if let's say the question says find the standard enthalpy of formation of ethane using energy cycle method, then you can only use the cycle method. You cannot use algebraic method anymore. Okay, so how to answer this question? Okay, first of all, same thing, because the equation for enthalpy of formation is not given, so you have to come out with the enthalpy of formation thermochemical equation on your own first. Okay, usually the one that we need to find the enthalpy, I will put on top. Okay, then second, how do we construct the cycle? Okay, first of all, write down all the thermochemical equation and you will find the similarity, that is, they all are add up with oxygen. Okay, thus what you do is, means that when you build the energy cycle, all the oxygen is in between the arrow. And then for example, you have carbon, then you have carbon dioxide. And then oxygen is in between. And then you continue with the rest of the equation. And you will find the final answer. Okay, so this is one type of energy cycle where you have to add the same elements, that is oxygen. Okay, another type of energy cycle method is, okay, you can see here, construct an energy cycle diagram to represent the dissolution of KCl. Calculates the enthalpy of solution if the lattice energy is given. Okay, for this type, how do we construct the energy cycle diagram? Okay, it is not like the previous one where the similarity is oxygen anymore. The same element is oxygen anymore. This time, this is the one that we have: lattice, solution, and hydration. This type of energy cycle only contains three enthalpies, three types of enthalpies: solution, lattice, and hydration. Okay, so same thing again. You construct the cycle by starting with what is the enthalpy of solution, and then you construct the cycle with the given information. And of course, you must understand what is enthalpy of solution. That is from solid, ionic solid, to aqueous ion. Okay, then after you've got it, construct the cycle, then you can calculate the enthalpy of solution. Okay, next one. Okay, there's another type of energy cycle diagram. Okay, this time it is different from the others as well. We have elements in standard states to form the reactants, elements in standard states to form the products, and reactants to products is called the enthalpy of reaction. So usually you will be given three reaction equation. So what you do is you fill in so that you can get so you can see, you can get, okay, sorry, this one I need to erase. So you construct, then you can see enthalpy 1 plus enthalpy 2 equals to enthalpy 3. Okay, of course you can use algebraic method as well, but if the question asks for energy cycle diagram, this is how you construct the energy cycle diagram. Okay, then there's another one. Okay, it's also given three equation as well. Okay, and then how do you construct it? Okay, first products, combustion products. Okay, and then reactants plus oxygen, products plus oxygen. Okay, then the same thing again, enthalpy 1 plus enthalpy 2, you will get enthalpy 3. This is also one of the energy cycle method. Okay, so remember, for energy cycle method, one, the same element will be put in between the arrow. Second, only 3 types of enthalpy involved: solution, lattice, and hydration. Another one is elements in standard states. Then another one is combustion products. So that's all for the energy cycle method. You can refer to notes for further understanding or for looking at how to calculate.